The FDA Food Safety Modernization Act, FSMA, the most sweeping reform of our food safety laws in more than 70 years, was signed into law on January 4, 2011. The aim? To ensure the safety of the U.S. food supply by shifting the focus from responding to contamination to preventing it, is due to be implemented in 2016. According to Phyllis Posey, Atlantium's VP Strategic Services and Regulatory Affairs, quoting from the FSMA explanation published in the Federal Register, which says, quote, "Under the proposed FSMA rules, the requirement for a risk-based hazard analysis is satisfied when a food processor's water is supplied by a municipal water authority that monitors the water and alerts its customers of any safety problems," end quote. But here's the kicker. The FDA is not the only agency changing the rules. While the FDA was busy working on FSMA, the EPA published revisions to the Total Coliform Rule, which sets standards for municipal drinking water. The changes, which go into effect on April 1st, 2016, changed the focus from general contamination, using total coliform as an indicator of human fecal contamination, to using E. coli as the indicator, and reducing public notification requirements, increasing the possibility that a food plant could, according to Posey, quote, "unknowingly incorporate contaminated water into their system and their product, which could be on the shelves before they are notified of an anomaly," close quote. So what difference will EPA's revisions of the Total Coliform Rule affecting municipal water quality make to the dairy industry in meeting FSMA rules? EPA views water quality very differently than food processors do. Current rules provide safe water based on risk assessment for a family of 4 using 300 gallons per day. Municipal suppliers are held to a 95% standard, and some illness is considered tolerable. For a food manufacturer, 300 gallons isn't even 1 hour's consumption. If a company uses 500,000 gallons a day, the risk factor can be very high. A food company's water contacts products directly and/or the surfaces that touch them. Your water provider cannot guarantee 100% biosecurity, even if you chlorinate. What about serious chlorine-resistant pathogens such as Cryptosporidium, Pseudomonas, and Giardia? Have you taken a serious look at your water supply? Are you sure your CIP rinse water is clean and not spreading contaminants like Salmonella, Listeria, or Pseudomonas that would ruin your food safety record? Remember, FSMA makes you responsible for preventing contamination of your product. Atlantium UV is your best solution for true water biosecurity. The only UV system validated to an EPA 4-log adenovirus reduction with real adenovirus, and what you see is what you get measurement. Let us show you how our light makes the difference.